Hello and welcome to Team Tactics Top Tips. This is week 4. This week we want to concentrate on staying focused and motivated while your team are still working from home. Our top tip this week is to set and stick to a routine. What we advise is setting a routine and a schedule, whether it be around your breakfast time, what time you log in, what time you go to exercise, and sticking to that schedule. Set the schedule, don't deviate from it, and continue the routine. See you next week for more Team Tactics Top Tips.